أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح حي على
الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه وأزواجه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما أجمعين إن شاء الله. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase in all of us knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nice to see you, brothers and sisters. We'll continue from where we left last time, and that is page number 101. Okay, brothers and sisters. Exercise number 6, Hati, give, thalasa jumalin. Tahwi. What is the meaning of tahwi? Hawa, yahwi, tahwi, containing. Kullu wahidin minha, every one of it, every one of them, adadan, number, naba, anaz-zarfi. Okay, means deputizing the zarf. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Did you get a chance to go over it? Did you make any sentences? You'll have to use in a way that the number becomes the zarf, For example, if I say, Zurtu Montreal. What is the meaning of Zurtu Montreal? I visited Montreal. Wa baqitu huna. Wa baqitu hunaka. And I stayed there. Now I will say, Salasata ayyamin. Salasata ayyamin. So what is salasata? That is your zarf. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Something like this. You will, mention the number coming as a zarf. Inshallah, you'll try to do it at home. 3 examples. And you have the Hello Tamarin to guide you. Hello Tamarin to guide you, brothers and sisters. Now, the next one is same thing. Hati thalatha jumalin tahwi kullu wahidin minha ismu isharatin naba an zarf. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, you have to use ismu ishara. Coming as a zarf. So what will you do now, brothers and sisters? Sa'azuru Montreal. I will visit, let's make it Vancouver. Sa'azuru Vancouver. Hadal isbu'a. See, hadal isbu'a. Okay, so now hadha became your zarf. And what is al isbu'a? Badal. Badal. But in previous example, salasata ayyamin. Okay? Okay. Or if I tell you, intazir. Intazir. What is the meaning of intazir? Wait. Ashara dakaika. 10 minutes. So ashara will become your naiban zarf. Naiban zarf. So, try to make 3 examples, brother. Truly speaking, you have all the tools with you now. The key in English, Hello Tamarin, and the textbook. So, between 3 of them, if you make an effort, put investment of your time, inshallah, you will see the results, brother. And then, inshallah, once the DVDs are ready, that will further help you, inshallah. Now comes adkhil, form 4. Adkhil. Adkhala, yudkhilu, adkhil. I am emphasizing this for you to understand that this is form 4. Adkhil kulla zarfin mimma yati, in what follows, fi jumlatin mufidatin, in a very useful sentences. Qabla, Ba'da, Inda, Amama, Khalfa, Tahta, Fawka, Huna, Samma, and Sammata means Hunaka, there. They have the same meaning. Brothers and sisters, try to make simple sentence. Inshallah, you will be able to do it. Will you be able to do it? Or should we do it now? We do it now? You will do that at home. Make simple sentences. Very simple sentence. For example, I give you Qabla. Okay? Zahabtu ila al-masjid qabla al-adhani. Rajatu min al-madrasati ba'da darsi. Simple sentences. Baiti, my house, amam al-masjidi, in front of the house, Same way you can use the khalf. Madrasati khalf al-masjidi. My school is behind the masjid. Make it simple sentence. And just to give you an idea. Are you with me? And then once you have attempted it, you have written something, then you can go back to Hello Tamarin and see how Dr. Sahib has used them in the sentences. And that will further reinforce your understanding, inshallah. Brothers and sisters, the Hello Tamarin only came a year and a half ago. It was not there. And ever since it has come, I find it very useful to check my answers. But the benefit will come when you make an attempt yourself. And then check the answers, inshallah. Okay, brothers and sisters, the next item is Varada fi darsi. What is the meaning of Varada fi darsi? Mention or Ja'a fi darsi. Has come in the lesson. what came in the lesson, brothers and sisters? Law araftu annaka taiti ila baladi. Had I known that you are coming to my city, lastaqbaltuka fil matar, I would have received you at the airport. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? No, we did understand in detail. One more time, we'll do it, brothers and sisters. Law harfum imtinai limtinai. Imtinai here means impossible. Impossibility. Impossibility. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So you can say in a simple way that it is the particle of impossibility for impossibility. But that is our literal translation, brother. What is the actual meaning, brothers and sisters? That the second thing did not happen because the first thing did not happen. Or you can say the second thing did not materialize because the first thing did not happen. Okay? So I will write down again, brothers and sisters. Harfu. See, this is Hamzatul Wasal. Huh? Then this is Harf Jar, brother and sister. Always, this is the second thing. Huh? You'll always talk about the second thing first. The second thing did not happen or did not materialize because the first thing did not happen. So you will always explain to someone like this, okay? Second thing did not happen, did not materialize because the first thing did not happen, okay? So here you will say, I did not receive you at the airport because I did not know. Huh? Okay, so that's the way we do it, Tufidu salasata umur. It indicates three, you can say conditions, or you can say three situations, or it indicates three things. What are those three things, brothers and sisters? First is the condition, ash-shartiyatu. We are going to discuss a lot today, inshallah, about the condition, shartiyatu. Taqyid. What is taqyid? But these are all mansub because of tufidu. Tufidu is mudariya. What is madi? Afada, form 4. Afada, yufidu. Write it down, brother. Afada, yufidu. To indicate. Or to guide. Okay. Or to direct. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? What is the number 2 condition or thing? Taqyida. What is the meaning of taqyida? Confining, restricting, or binding. Now that condition, okay, is for past. Are you with me? It's for the past. Huh? For present and future, we have a different way of making a condition. But love is only for the past. Huh? Also we studied, love means an unfulfilled condition in the past. Had I done this? Had I studied it? Had I slept early? Had I not eaten this? Things like that, So it is all in the past. Taqyid al-shartiyati bi-zamanin madi. It restricts it to the past. Confines the condition to the past. And third is al-imtina'ah here, because they are all coming as a mafulun bihi for afada. Al-imtina'ah. What does it mean? Impossible. It's something, the time has gone by. The time cannot be brought back. So it is impossible. Okay. Impossible to happen again. Okay. For example, لو اجتهدت اجتهد, to work hard. What form is this? اجتهد, form 8. يجتهد, اجتهد. What will be the masdar? اجتهاد, hard work. لو اجتهدت لنجحت. So, had you worked hard, you would have passed. No, you didn't pass. That is the second thing. Did not happen. Why did not happen? Because the first thing did not happen. You did not work hard. So always go back to the second and then come to the first, inshallah. Ma'anaha lam tashtahid, you did not work hard. Falam tanjah, you did not succeed. Now this is very important to understand, brother. Yaktarinu, what is the meaning of yaktarinu? Joined, connected. Iktarana, form iktarana, form 8. Iktarana yaktarinu, form 8. Jawabuha, no, jawabu is your file. But then jawabu has a adjective. What can have an adjective? Al-musbatu. Brother, I want you to think al-musbatu. Jawabu ha al-musbatu. Brother, see, this is a naat for jawab. What kind of a jawab it has to be? It has to be affirmation. No negation. Affirmative jawab. If it is an affirmative jawab, then it is connected with lam. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Yaktarinu jawabuhal musbatu. Now tell me, what is musbatu, brothers and sisters? What is it? Asbata, mashallah. Brothers, asbata, form 4. Asbata. What will be the mudariya? Yuthbitu. 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 See, I am doing this deliberately. There is no need to do it. We can just say the meaning and go forward. But this little bit of exercise will help you become stronger and stronger. Then your mind will always be thinking and try to identify. And then inshallah, you will become very quick in identifying. We may not know the meanings, but at least we know the construction of the verbs. And then inshallah, slowly, we will increase our vocabs in the Quran. Okay, now what is the ism file? Muthbitu. What is the ism maf'ul? Muthbatu. Got the idea? This is your ism maf'ul. Muthbatu. Think about it, brothers and sisters. This is very important. Okay, so now what is the muthbatu means? Affirmative. No negation. Okay, the jawab has to be affirmative. Okay, then you will connect it with lam. Then the jawabu shart will be connected with lam. So يقترن جوابها المثبت باللام ولا يقترن لا يقترن بها جوابها an manfiyu. Negation, if the jawab is negation, then you will not connect with lam. Yajuzu aksuha, it can be opposite of this. Wahadha qalil, but it is very rarely. So normally, the jawab, if it is in negation, you will not connect the lam with it. If it is affirmation, you will collect the lam with it. And you will see it in the Quran, brother. This comes quite often in the Quran. Okay. Now here are some beautiful examples. Law samiyata kissatahu. Kissatahu. That is your mafulun bihi. Mudaf mudafili. What is the meaning? If you had heard his story, la bakaita, you would have cried. So see, no negation. So we brought la. I would like you to highlight only la, so that you know how the la is used in the sentences. Inshallah. قال المدرس لحامد. Mudaris said to the Hamish, the next line, brother. لو حضرت أمسي. What is hadara? To be present. Had you presented yesterday? Had you come yesterday? Then here is ma. Now ma is nafi. Then I cannot put la. Ma shakautuka. Ma shakautuka. I would not have complained about you. Ilal mudir. To the mudir. You got the idea, brothers and sisters? So we did not bring lam in the jawab. Why? Because the jawab is manfi. Jawab is manfiyun, negation. If the jawab is muthbatun, then we bring lam. Okay. More exercise, brothers and sisters. Hada ta'amun fasidun. This is a spoiled food or rotten food. Law akalahun nasu. Translation, brother. Had the people eaten it, la maridu, they would have become sick. Okay. What is maridu? What is madi? Marida, to become sick. What is madi? Marida. Marida, marida, maridu. Write down marida there, brothers and sisters. Write down marida. That is your madi, to become sick. Next one, brothers and sisters. لو رأيت ذاك المنظر. So here, how will you define love? You will say harfu imtinai limtinai. And what is ra'i? Ra'i is your fi'l. What is the fa'il? What is zaka? Mafulun bihi. And brother Abdul Samad, what is al-manzara? Badal, mashallah. Mashallah. Alhamdulillah. See, you are now sharp. You are becoming sharper every day. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. La bakaita. La bakaita. So la came for jawabu shart. Why it come? It came la because there is no negation in it. Fine, brothers and sisters. Now the last one, number 5, is a negation in the end. لو عرفت أن الاختبار اليوم. Had I known that today is the examination. لو عرفت أن الاختبار اليوم ما تأخرت. I would not have been late, So ma nafi, so we do not bring the lam. Alhamdulillah, brother. Adkhil Law ala jumal al-atiyati wa ghayyir. What is the meaning of ghayyir? To change. Huh? To change. Ma yalzamu. What is needed? Huh? Change what is needed. Huh? But these are beautiful exercises. Huh? And we will do it. Huh? Sister Hafsa, first is yours. Darabani zakal waladu. Darabani zakal waladu. Darabtuhu. Are you with me? Now, daraba ni. What is ni? Nunu vikaya. Ya mutakalim mafulun bihi. Where is the file, Sister Hafsa? Zaka is file. And what is al waladu doing here? It is badal, mashallah. Now you put law. Huh? Very simple. Law darabani zakal waladu la darabtuhu khalas. Huh? Only you had to put la there. Law darabani zakal waladu la darabtuhu. Huh? How will you translate? Had that boy hit me, I would have hit him. Huh? Sister Abir, araftu anna al-mudarrisa musafirun. Yeah? Khalas, majid. There is no need to put la. You know why? Because it is negation. Huh? Majid. See now, this is what is this, brother, sister? Early in the morning you are getting jalebis, huh? And halwa puri. Okay, it's not difficult. You just have to think, inshallah. Now, Sister Sukhaina. Iratu, mashallah, mashallah. Had I been late by 2 minutes, the plane would have missed me. I would not have missed the plane. The plane would have missed me. Okay, brother. Now, you know Fatha. Have we studied Fatha before? No, let us study Fatha. Huh? So this is Ajwaf Wawi. What is it? Ajwaf Wawi. Fatha Yafu Tu. To miss something. Okay? Now, in this, brothers and sisters, the file will be something else. And he missed, you missed, we missed, will come as a mafulun bihi. Are you with me? So, the person who missed it will come as a mafulun bihi. So, at-ta'iratu is your file. What is ta'iratu? Is your plane. So whether now this is muannas. So we have to change the verb into muannas. Fatat. What will be? Are you with me? That is your fi'al. Now, did I miss it? Then it will be fatat ni. So ni nunu vikaya. Are you with me? And what is ya mutakalim? Mafulun bihi. And where is the file? Ta'iratu. So I will say la fatatni. Are you with me? Now you have to remember this. The plane missed me. That is the literal translation. But how we translate otherwise? I missed the plane. I missed the plane. In English we will say I missed the plane. But in Arabic, the plane missed me. Okay? Okay, brothers and sisters. So, لو تأخرت دقيقتين. What is دقيقتين? Musanna, fine. More than that? Brother, it is zarf. What is it? Because it talks about time. Are you with me? And zarf is mansoob. See, dakikataini is mansoob. Dakikatani, dakika taini. Why it is mansub? It's not mafulun bihi, but it is mafulun fihi. Are you with me? But we say zarf, inshallah. Make life simple. Make it zarf. Huh? Fine. Very good, brothers. Sister Naima. Law sami'ta. Law sami'ta. Tilawata hadha al-qari. If you had heard the tilawat of this qari, what would have happened? La bakaita. You would have cried. And that's quite possible. But once we understand the Quran, we've got to understand the Quran, then the tears will be real tears. If you don't understand Quran and you cry, then that's a different kind of a crying. But once you understand, then your heart is crying. You know? And it will happen to you, brothers and sisters. You will feel that one day, inshallah. Soon, during this Ramadan, you will feel it, inshallah. Inshallah. Love sami'ata. Had you heard tilawata? What is tilawata, Sister Naima? Mafulun bihi. Wa huwa mudaf. And what is hadha? Mudaf ilayhi. And what is al-qari'i? Badal. See, qari'i is majroor. Why it is majroor? Mubdal minhu is majroor. Hadha is majroor. I've got to pay attention to all these small things in your mind. That way you will become stronger and stronger, inshallah. Very good. Sister Fatima. Law karata. Had you read hadhihi al-qissata, this story, what would have happened? La dahikta, because you are addressing somebody else. You can also make it muannas. Law karati hadhihi al-qissata. You can tell a sister, la dahikti kathiran. Are you with me? What is the meaning? Had you read this story, you would have laughed a lot. Brother, what is kathiran? Mafulun mukta. Dahkan kathiran. Now, Sister Sumayya. Law araftu annahu yakdhibu. What is the meaning of this? Had I known that he lies, I would not have helped him. Ma sa'atuhu. Sa'ada. What kind of a verb is this? Form 3. To help. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Now, Sister Mehraz. Yes. Najahtu. Because you are talking about yourself. Darajati. Binisfi darajatin. What is the meaning of it? It's about, we are talking about the marks in the examination. Half of point. By half a percentage point. If my grade, daraja, had increased by half a percentage point, la najahtu, I would have passed bi takdiri mumtaz, with the grade of excellence. With the grade of excellence. Takdiri mumtazin. B harf jar, brothers and sisters, make sure you make a nice note of it. B harf jar. Takdiri with single kasra, ism majroor, wa huwa mudaf, and then mumtazin mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea, brothers and sisters, inshallah? Very good. Akmil al-naqisa. Complete what is missing or lacking, fima yali, in what follows, brothers and sisters. Now, Sister Nasreen, law ishtahatta Ma rasabta. You are telling somebody else. You are not telling yourself. Law vijtahatta. Vijtahatta. Had you worked hard? Ma rasabta. You would not have failed. Are you with me? So here there is no need to put la there. Because it's negation. Had you worked hard, you would have passed. Sister Maimuna? What will you say? La araftu. La araftu. Had I known. Annaka tati ila madini. Had I known that you are coming to the city, yeah, lastaqbaltu. What will you say? Istaqbala? No. Istaqbala, that Hamza is Hamzatul Wasal. So you will say lastaqbaltu. Are you with me? Lastaqbaltu fil matar, you can say. MashaAllah, that was excellent. Now you can put la, inshallah. Now, Sister Aisha. لو أكلت هذا لمرضت. If you had eaten this, you would have become sick. MashaAllah. You got the idea now? Alhamdulillah. All of these sentences are extremely important. You cannot avoid them, brothers and sisters. You must write them. Make an effort. Find time. Burn some midnight oil. And write them. Extremely, extremely important to write, because that way you will become strong. Nusrat, number 4. See, what is the jawab? Lafatatna rakatun. So where is the file? Rakatun. Again it is muannas. That is why it is fatat. What is the verb? Fata, and the ta'u ta'nisi. And what is na? Mafulun bihi. Okay. Now. Yeah, you can say. Law ta'akharna. You can say dakikataini if you want to. Or without even dakikataini. If had we been late, we would have missed the rakah. But here it is rakah missed us, would have missed us. But our translation will be law ta'akharna dakikataini, you can say 2 minutes, lafatatna rakat. We would have missed the rakah. Very good, brothers and sisters. Now you have to make 2 sentences on your own. Make simple sentence, brothers and sisters. And you can do it. I am quite confident you can do simple sentences. Adkhil law fi jumlataini. Enter law in 2 sentences. Ala an yakuna jawabuha fil ula musbatan. The jawab is musbatan. Wa fi thaniya manfiyan. Will you be able to do it, inshallah? Use your imagination and make 2 simple sentences on the basis of what you have studied. You will change the words around, your ideas around, and you will do it. Shall we do it, or you will be able to do it at home? Inshallah, you will be able to do it at home. All these exercise, brothers and sisters, whenever Dr. Abdurrahim gives us exercise, it means it's very important. If there are no exercise to be done, it means we have to keep that rule in mind. As our, we will be able to understand it when it comes next time, inshallah. But if the exercises are given, it is important. If exercises are not given, it is for our observation and for our knowledge, inshallah. Now, number 3, min qablu. We studied this also, brothers and sisters. Min qablu. Yubna qablu wa ba'du ala dammin. Okay, brothers and sisters. The qablu and ba'du becomes mabni. Iza kutiya anil idafati. When there is no mudaf ilayhi to it. It is cut off from mudaf ilayhi. Lafzan. What is it? In words. La ma'nan. Ma'nan is still there. Okay. Qala ta'ala lillahi al-amru. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Lillahi amru. Min qablu wa min ba'd. Got the idea? Now, qablu is majroor. Are you with me? Because of min. But it is mabni. So you will say qablu mabniun ala damma fi mahalli jar. Fi mahalli jar. Jarran. Yes. Inshallah you'll remember this, brothers and sisters. Because it comes in the Quran and it will come in our dars also, inshallah. And one more reminder, from now onwards, brothers and sisters, every line in the key of book 3 is important. You must read the key slowly, slowly, with your highlighter, with your pencil, so you can underline it. Dr. Sahib has done wonder with book 3 key, Even the book 1, book 2 is important, but book 3 is extremely important to study so that we can understand the text of book 3 better, inshallah. In the absence of the key, understanding of key, it will become slightly difficult. So please do that. Hati mudari ala fa'alil atiyati. This is very easy, brother. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Sister Madina, istaqbala. Yastaqbilu. Now tell me form. Form 10. Ista. When you see ista, remember, alif, sin, ta, that is the sign of form 10. Please remember. Okay. Sister Rahima, intazara. What is this? Form 8. What is the root? Nazara. And what is the root of istaqbala, Sister Madina? Kabila. It comes from Kabila. Sister Gulshan, Safara, you got very easy. Safara, yusafiru. Safara, yusafiru. Are you with me? Form 3. Form 3. Make ism file from Safara. Musafir. Such a common word, Musafir. Okay, fine. Sister Arifa, Sa'ada yusaidu. Form 3, mashallah. This is a very nice verb. Brother Muhammad, rahaba. Yurahibu. Remember, if there are 4 letters in the verb, then the alamatu mudariya gets a dhamma. Rahaba, yurahibu. Very good. Form 2. Bab taf'il. Okay, Brother Hassan. Yamkuthu. Bab nasara. It's a 3-letter verb, brother. Yamkuthu. To stay. To remain. Very good. Brother Abdul Samad. Yalbasu. Because it is again fi'l sulasi mujarrad. Labisa yalbasu. When you see labisa, which is bab samia, 99.9% it has to be yalbasu. Kasra will change into fatah. Remember? Fine. Okay. Kasaba yaksibu. Brother? One more. Brother Haidar Ali. Fata yafutu. What is it? Fata, yafutu. This is a very nice word. Makes you smile, I don't miss anything. Things miss me. I don't miss lessons. The lessons miss me. And I don't miss bus. The bus misses me. Okay. Fata, yafutu. Ajwaf, wavi. Ajwaf, wavi. Very good, brother and sister. Okay, now, Sister Hafsa. Darra, yadurru. Darra, yadurru. MashaAllah. Fine. Hati mufrad. Brother. Zuwarun. What is the verb, brothers and sisters? Zuwarun. What is the singular? Zairun. Zuwarun. Now tell me, can you connect this somewhere? Zuwarun. Are there any more plurals on this pattern? Tujjarun. What is it? Tujjar. One more. Tullabun. What is it? Tullabun. Hujjajun. All these things we remember. Tullabun is very easy to remember. Zuwarun. Got the idea? What is the singular? Zairun. What is the verb? Zara yazuru. Wahuwa zairun. Remember that, brothers and sisters. Very good.